Hi guys, welcome back. Today we have got the new Honor 9 Lite with us. So this is the retail variant Sapphire Blue 3GB RAM one, and I got this from Flipkart for 10,999. Coming to the box, there's nothing fancy about it. It's just the same Honor Blue box for all its smartphones. On the front of the box we have the Honor 9 Lite logo. On the sides we have nothing. On the back it does say quad camera, Honor full view display, 2.5D curved glass and some other specifications. There are two seals on left and right sides of the back of the phone box. Make sure these seals are intact before unboxing your smartphone. On the bottom side of the box we have the manufacturer information. The box contains one handset, one plastic cover, a travel charger, data cable and some user manuals. The MRP mentioned on the box is 13,999. Month and year of import is January 2018. On the top side of the box we have the IMEI information and the SAR value of the phone is 1.06 watt per kg. So let's quickly unbox the phone and see what we got inside. First we have the handset itself. Let's keep the phone aside for the moment and see what else we have in the box. We have some documentation, quick start guide, warranty information and a protective case. This is a hard plastic case. I'm really glad that Honor included a case in the box because the phone has a glass back and has no protection. We have a fancy SIM ejector tool, a 5V 2A normal charger and a USB 2.0 charging cable. Coming back to the phone has glass on both front and back and an aluminum frame on these sides. On the front, we have an 5.65-inch IPS LCD display of FHD plus resolution with an 18:9 aspect ratio, a dual 13MP plus 2MP selfie camera and a proximity sensor. There are no capacitive keys, so it's just the software buttons and we have Honor logo at the bottom. Initial impressions of the phone are really good. The phone feels premium, but the back glass is a fingerprint magnet and it is very much prone to scratches, so it's better to use the provided case. The display is nice, it's not the best but it doesn't look cheap either. The viewing angles are good, the color reproduction is fine and we can also tune the color temperature under the display settings. The volume and power buttons are situated on the right side and we have a hybrid SIM slot on the left. The phone accepts 2 nano SIM cards or 1 nano SIM card and 1 micro SD card. There is nothing on the top side. On the bottom we have a 3.5mm headset jack port, a noise cancellation mic, a micro USB 2.4 port and a speaker. On the back of the phone we have another dual 13MP plus 2MP camera with an LED flash and there's also a noise cancellation mic and a fingerprint sensor. Let's power on the phone and see how the boot animation and the phone setup looks. There's a Wi-Fi Plus service included, which means that it automatically switches between Wi-Fi and mobile data accordingly. There's a cloud service to manage photos, contacts and other data. Fingerprint touch control to manage stuff like take photo, answer call, show notification panel, stop alarm and other gestures. Setting up fingerprint sensor was easy and it is really fast. It takes less than a second to unlock your phone. This is the home screen and just like all other Chinese OEMs, this phone lacks app drawer. The phone is running on EMUI 8.0, a custom skin based on Android Oreo 8.0.0. As this phone ships with Android Oreo out of the box, so this phone should have the treble support. Let's check the specifications of the phone once. The phone has 5.65-inch FHD plus 18:9 IPS LCD display, 3GB RAM with 32GB storage or 4GB RAM with 64GB storage. The 3GB RAM variant sells for 10,999 while the 4GB RAM variant retails for 14,999. The phone has 13MP plus 2MP dual camera setup on both front and rear sides. The phone is powered by Kirin 659 processor with Mali T830 GPU, a 3000 mAh battery, hybrid SIM slots and it runs on EMUI 8.0 powered by Android Oreo. Out of the box, we have a 22.75 GB of free space. Let's open the camera app and see how the interface looks. We have couple of custom modes: Pro Photo, Pro Video, HDR, Panorama, Time Lapse, Wide Aperture mode, Portrait mode for depth effect, Moving picture, and regarding video camera, it can only shoot max up to 1080p, so there is no 4K video recording. Moving on to the sensor test with the sensor test app. This phone has all the important sensors. It has accelerometer, magnetic field, orientation, gyroscope, light sensor, proximity, and they all work just fine. The only sensor that I feel is missing is the infrared. And regarding benchmarks, it got a score of 88,213 with Antutu version 7, single core score of 932 and multi-core score of 3674 with Geekbench, and 60.1 frames per second with Nina Mark II. That is it guys, I hope you liked the video. Do comment if you have any questions regarding Honor 9 Lite, and there will be many videos on 9 Lite coming soon on the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye and take care.